Hi, good morning everyone. I'm at the work site, so pardon me of how I look. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, my channel's name is Filipino Nurse Retires Home, and that's in the Philippines this time. We are so busy. We've been really busy doing yard work at the same time inside the building work. So we're doing tiling right now, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, hold please. All right, this is the master's bedroom. So what they do is just look at it, okay? I'm not gonna explain to you what they're doing, but anyway, they're doing the tile work right now. It's so messy here. And what we have started is at the end of the day, we pretty much do the aftercare because it is being chaotic here and I cannot stand what they're doing. So at this area here, this is the kitchen. It's really just a modern site kitchen. This is gonna be the island table, and that's gonna be the countertop right there. This is where the refrigerator, a good sized refrigerator would be located. This is where the centerpiece here is gonna be where the stove, and this is gonna be the closet later on. And say hi.
Hi.
And Toto.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, hello, good morning. Okay, this is gonna be the cabinetry, and on top of this is granite countertop. And we're almost done. You're not gonna be able to see the ceiling, how it would look. Unsa man na siya? Maupod gyapon? Di lagi na mao. Ang sakua. Okay. And Neil here is busy with the welding part. And look at what he's doing. Right there. Show, Neil, can you show what I'm gonna do? This is gonna be the brackets to my shelving right here. We're gonna install it this way on the wall. And after that, he's going to mount this piece right here. And it would look like that. So it would look like decorative. So we save a lot of money doing it ourselves. So he's doing that on site. Okay. Thank you, Neil. Say good morning and mabuhay.
Good morning and mabuhay.
Good, good. Thank you, Neil. And this is Bambit. He's doing the painting. And he's showing me the colors. And he good looking. Look how cute he is. Okay. All right, Bambit. Ah, Bambit. Okay. All right, now that's the porch. They're using that for their clothesline right now. That's where gonna be the overlooking part. I'm gonna show what's underneath that. Right there. And this is the porch that is gonna be just open porch. I'm gonna put some iron railing there at the side, and maybe put some planters for my plants, and I'm going to raise some whatever I would be able to feel like doing, maybe some vegetable garden. And all right, anyway, just continue on with watching my channel, and I appreciate everyone for your patience. And it's hard work, but I know we can fulfill the dream. Okay, you really have to work on the dream so that it will come true. And how do you call this? Do not forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome back. This is Dane. Filipino Nurse Retires Home, and that's in the Philippines. And how are you doing? I'm here inside my room, master bedroom. Anyway, they're already doing the paint job. and it looks really nice. I was a little bit hesitant to put this kind of color because I thought it's too light, but actually it's really pretty. And I'm gonna show you the color. That is the color of the wall. It's much yellower, I think, or lighter than what's in the video. And I'll show you how they make the countertop to the toilet, to the vanity. This is the master bedroom. It's really not big, it's just small. That's the vanity right here. They make this, it's made of a steel, and then they put cement over that, and then they're gonna mount the sink to that. And they're doing the plumbing right now. I have somebody construct that plumbing. And we have water heater mounted here, okay? That's just gonna be a manual thing. It does not have a tank. So it's direct electricity or direct powered, and it heats up the water while you take a shower. That's the right side, and that's the overlooking side. Overlooking side. I'm talking about overlooking the mountains. Okay, they finished the rendering here. This is the island, and it really looks nice right there. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 chairs here. How are you, Anel? Usa may isuti ni mo, Nel? Kumusta ka, Manel?
Okay lang, ma'am.
Si Toto. Si Ruel, Wing Wing ang pangalan niya. Kisa kayo pangalan niyo mo?
Jeannie, ma'am.
Joni. And si Bongbong. Si Bongbong, among master tile. He's really good at tile. I thought I can do the tile, but it's really a lot of work. It's a tedious work. And that's I'm just gonna do a simple cabinetry here inside this island, and everything here, the shelving here is open shelving. I'm going to show that how I will make it, because I will make that personally. I think that's about it in a way. Thank you guys.